For over 4,000 years, Ricinus communis, castor oil, has been misunderstood. Ancient Egyptian pharaohs valued it as liquid gold, using it to treat everything from eye irritation to digestive ailments. Yet today, it sits forgotten on pharmacy shelves, relegated to the status of a dreaded childhood laxative. Modern science is now experiencing a renaissance of understanding. Cutting-edge research is revealing castor oil as a potent catalyst for the body's natural repair mechanisms, a biochemical key unlocking healing pathways we're only beginning to comprehend. The timing of application is crucial. All you need is to apply the castor oil before you sleep, since this is the ideal time for all body repairing mechanisms to work. Why? Because while you're conscious, your body is in survival mode, digesting food, responding to stress. But during sleep, something extraordinary happens. Think of your body as a corporation, the Body Inc. During the day, it's open for business, processing inputs, managing operations. But at night, it closes for maintenance. The lights dim, the doors lock, and the night shift begins. This is the redemption phase. While you sleep, your glymphatic system activates at 10 times its daytime capacity, flushing out beta-amyloid plaques associated with neurodegenerative diseases. It's literally washing your brain clean. Simultaneously, your liver goes into overdrive, regenerating cells and processing toxins. But what happens when this system is clogged? When stagnation prevents these processes? Enter the bloat destroyer. When applied topically to the abdomen, castor oil doesn't just sit on the skin. Its active compound, ricinoleic acid, is uniquely structured to penetrate biological barriers. It targets EP3 receptors in the intestinal muscle. Think of these receptors as locked doors waiting for a key. Ricinoleic acid is that key. Once it binds, it triggers a cascade of biological events. The oil penetrates through the epidermis and subcutaneous fat, reaching the intestinal muscle to stimulate gentle, rhythmic contractions called peristalsis. It helps clear stagnant tissue and waste, relieving the pressure of bloating and preventing the reabsorption of toxins. This isn't just about digestion, it's about filtration. The lymphatic system is the body's sewage network. Unlike your blood, which has the heart as a pump, your lymphatic system relies on movement and external stimulation to flow. Here's the critical issue. Your lymphatic system can become sluggish. Without proper flow, toxins accumulate, and immune cells can't patrol effectively. By stimulating flow, castor oil helps mobilize lymphocytes, your body's strategic defense team. Research shows that castor oil packs can increase lymphocyte production significantly, allowing them to multiply and hunt down pathogens more effectively. It's internal cleanliness from the inside out. But the benefits ripple outward. Many struggle with the deepest sleep, tossing and turning despite trying lavender or melatonin. The issue often lies in the autonomic nervous system. Modern life keeps us stuck in sympathetic dominance, constant stress. Your body thinks it's being chased by a predator, so it won't let you fully rest. Castor oil applied to the navel or eyelids can stimulate the vagus nerve, the main highway of the parasympathetic nervous system. When stimulated, it releases acetylcholine, signaling safety to your entire body. This shifts the body from the sympathetic state, stress, to the parasympathetic state, rest. By lowering cortisol and balancing melatonin, it signals the brain that it is safe to power down. Why buy a $100 luxury cream when nature offers a superior alternative? The skincare industry wants you to believe expensive blends are necessary, but castor oil is a humectant, emollient, and occlusive all-in-one. It repairs the skin barrier by fighting free radicals and neutralizing inflammation caused by cortisol. Unlike synthetic creams that sit on top, ricinoleic acid penetrates deep, soothing inflammation and restoring the skin's natural elasticity. It's antimicrobial, preventing acne, and deeply moisturizing without clogging pores. For those suffering from joint pain, imagine your knees as rusted gears grinding against each other. Capsaicin creams might mask the pain with heat, but castor oil addresses the mechanics. Acting as a therapeutic golden oil wrap, it penetrates the tissue to reduce inflammation and lubricate the joint space. The ricinoleic acid binds to receptors in the joint tissue, reducing inflammatory cytokines. A 2009 study confirmed its ability to reduce inflamed tissue, effectively turning rusted gears back into smooth-moving parts. However, let's be real, not all oil is created equal. To get these results, you need the gold standard. The market is flooded with cheap processed products. Many commercial oils are extracted using hexane, a petroleum-derived neurotoxic solvent. Traces remain in the final product, potentially causing nerve damage and hormonal disruption. Even worse, these oils are often stored in plastic bottles that leach endocrine disruptors like BPA into the oil. The oil absorbs these toxins like a sponge. You must choose cold-pressed, hexane-free oil stored in dark amber glass. Cold pressing uses mechanical pressure, preserving delicate nutrients. Anything else is impure sludge. This purity is crucial for the hair resurrection. Hair loss affects millions. Research found that PGD2 levels are significantly higher in balding scalps. This compound inhibits hair growth. Ricinoleic acid inhibits PGD2, clearing the weeds, strangling the follicle, and allowing energy to flow back to the root. It wakes up dormant follicles, turning a barren scalp into a lush garden. The same principle applies to scars. Scar tissue is essentially chaos, tangled fibers of collagen. Castor oil acts as a solvent, seeping into the knot of scar tissue. It helps break down the cross-linked collagen fibers that make scars rigid. Over time, it encourages the body to replace it with healthy, organized skin cells. Even on a microscopic level, it works. A blocked pore is like a corked bottle. Castor oil melts the sebum plug, allowing the pore to breathe. Perhaps most surprisingly, castor oil supports the thymus gland, your immune system's training camp. Located in the chest, the thymus atrophies with age. By applying oil to the chest, you may support the expansion and function of this gland, energizing T cells to better defend the body. For dry eyes, the issue is often clogged meibomian glands. Applying a tiny drop to the eyelid, not in the eye, helps unclog these glands, restoring the protective lipid layer. So why is this ignored? The diagnosis is often indifference. We live in a culture obsessed with the synthetic. We spend billions marketing drugs that treat symptoms but don't address causes. We treat the smoke, not the fire. Castor oil isn't a magic pill. It's a tool to address the root cause, the fire itself. From ancient Egyptian scrolls to modern biochemical models, the science is validating what tradition has known for millennia. It's about understanding wellness and making the power of choice. In a world of toxic products and chronic stress, you have the power to support your body's healing mechanisms. By choosing high-quality, natural remedies and supporting your body's nightly redemption phase, you aren't just treating symptoms. You are engaging the locking mechanism of your own health. The question isn't whether castor oil works. The question is, are you ready to unlock your body's potential?